Hi guys, so I'll be showing you how you can connect your OKX. You can set up the OKX account and the 𝗠𝗘 account required by MemeFi. I'll be walking you through the the process of how to set up everything. So the first thing you want to do is pay attention to this instruction here. They said please upgrade the OKX wallet to the latest version first. So you need to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and upgrade your OKX wallet, and if you don't have it, just go ahead and install it. You'll be installing the latest version like that. So once you do that, then we'll proceed. Let me go and confirm if mine is updated. So I'm updating my OKX now. Okay, so I've just updated the app now, so I'll open it. But before then, I'll go back to my MemeFi. Okay, so on your MemeFi page, come to your wallet down here, because you are going to back up this your wallet. You copy the recovery phrase or the private key, and then you go and import it on your OKX wallet. So after opening it like this, click on this settings icon, and then you can either use secret phrase or private key, but for this guide, let's just use private key. So click on view private key, copy the private key. So I'll just click and hold and then copy. So after doing that, you download the OKX wallet, and comes with, of course, it will come with the exchange part of the wallet and the wallet part. We need the wallet, not the exchange. So you switch to the wallet by tapping on wallet up here. So currently I have a particular wallet imported here. So what I'll just do is I'm going to add the one I went to copy the recovery phrase, now the MemeFi account. So when you get to this page, of course, I already have other wallets here. For you, if you don't have other wallets imported on your OKX, you might not see all of this. So just click on add wallet directly. Add wallet. Then I'm not creating a new wallet. I'm importing my MemeFi wallet to this place. So I'm going to select import wallet. Now what did I copy? There is private key. So I'll select this, because this is where seed phrase or private key. So I'll select this. Okay. Then it's saying enter the seed phrase or private key. So I'm going to enter the private key I copied. So after entering it, I'll click on confirm, and it's going to load the wallet. Now this is the crucial part. We are now going to select 𝗠𝗘. They are moving to 𝗠𝗘 now, so select 𝗠𝗘. As you can see, select 𝗠𝗘 and then confirm it. Click on confirm. Now this is it right here. This is the wallet right here. So we have imported it. So if I close this now, if I close this up here by clicking up here, this is the wallet right here. So you can, let me see if I can rename it. Manage wallet. Then this, I'll click on this part, and I'll click on this place here and edit the name, wallet name, MemeFi wallet. Confirm. Now go back. So click on this, check your MemeFi airdrop eligibility. To do that, this page is going to come up and you should see your wallet already connected. The next thing to connect is your Telegram, the Telegram account you want to check the allocation. So click on connect Telegram, or you can click on it down here, connect Telegram, and the page is going to connect, where you enter your phone number, your country code first, your phone number, and you go to your Telegram. Alright, so click on continue. So I'll go ahead and enter my phone number which I want to use. Then I'll click on next, and an SMS will be sent. A message will be sent to my Telegram. I'll just go and open my Telegram app now. You see this, so just click on confirm so that you can log in on the other side, and that's it, accepted. So you head back to your OKX. So you can see now my Telegram is also connected, and I have my parameters ready like this. Okay, you can see the coins I have so far, the spins. I have no spin. MemeFi premium, yes, I did premium. Ton transaction I did, and I used Telegram stars for transaction also. So this is what is available for now, and